Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT. So what exactly is ChatGPT? It's an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. So it basically is a smart AI assistant which is trained to follow prompts and provide a detailed response. For example, you want ChatGPT to write an email to your boss asking for a 3 days leave, providing a believable reason in a polite and respectful manner. You can simply write a few keywords or just say, write an email to my boss asking for 3 days off from work with such an excuse that he can't say no. Now, ChatGPT will do its magic and write a nice email for you without having you to do any efforts. If you don't like its response, you can ask ChatGPT to make changes in the response. It's better if you can write a few keywords that you want to include in your email, which can direct ChatGPT to know what's the motive of the email, and it can give you better results specifically for your need. Treat it like your own assistant. Here's another example. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a weekly lunch or dinner menu for me with 2 dishes daily. And there it goes. It gave me English menu. So now I'll try to keep my instructions a bit clearer. I will now write, please suggest only North Indian or Pakistani dishes. See, in just a few seconds, my menu is ready. It's not just about menu. You can ask ChatGPT to do absolutely any task, and it will do it for you in seconds. Even coding is not difficult for ChatGPT, so give it a try and let us know in the comments if it was helpful for you. Wait, now the question arises whether this chatbot is free for everyone. The basic version of ChatGPT is free for everyone to try at the moment. However, OpenAI has introduced ChatGPT Plus, which is a subscription plan that costs $20 per month. While it provides the same level of access as a free service, there are additional benefits. These include priority access during busy times, faster response times, and exclusive access to the latest features. Now, when I inquired ChatGPT about its subscription plan, it informed me that it's free for everyone, even though it actually has a subscription plan of $20 per month. However, it's not entirely at fault since it's not capable of retaining any information beyond 2022. When I asked it who the current Prime Minister of the UK is, it responded with Boris Johnson instead of Rishi Sunak, since its data only goes up until 2022. That's all for today. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who find it difficult to write emails, essays, or just any random thing like Instagram captions. See you in my next video, which again will be very useful as I like to post informative and helpful videos on my channel.